Good morning, students. So, in last class, we have studied about cybercrime, cyberbullying. So, now further, we continue that topic and let's talk about reporting crime. In case any cybercrime involve a child or student is detected, it should first be brought to the notice of the parent and school authorities and then report to the police. The procedure to be adopted is same as in any kind of crime or offense. The local police station can be approached for filing complaints which have designed cybercrime cell to register complaints. A complaint can also be registered by filing an EFIR, which is very convenient. This facility is available in many states. Recently, the Minister of Home Affairs has already also launched a website for registering crime against women and children online, including cybercrimes. So this is a process by which you can report a cybercrime. You can file an FIR online also. This is very easy. So you have to be very careful because all the procedure are very delicate and you must have to take care of all the things. So let's start further now. Here let's talk about combating and preventing cybercrime. This actually tell us about the risk which we have to measure or by which we can say these are the following points which can consider as the safety measure to reduce the risk of cybercrime. So first of all, we have to take regular backup of important data, use an antivirus and always keep it updated, avoid installing pirated software as we never have to install pirated softwares. Always download software from the known and secure HTTPS sites. That is if you want to download any app, then use Google app, Play Store, and if you want or other sites which are secure sites. Always update the system software which include the internet browser and other application software. Do not visit or download anything from untrusted websites. Usually the browser alert user about doubtful website whose security certificates cannot be verified. Avoid visiting such sites. Use strong password for web login and change it periodically. Do not use the same password for all the websites. While using someone else's computer, do not allow the browser to save password or autofill data, and try to browse in your private browser window. For an unknown site, do not agree to use cookies when asked for through yes or no option. Just always click on the no button. So next topic is cyber forensic. Cyber forensic is same as which we have a team of forensics in our CBI and crime also, right? So cyber forensic is an electronic device technique used to determine and reveal technical criminal evidence. It often involve electronic data storage extraction for legal purpose. Cyber forensic is also known as computer forensic. So here let's talk about the next topic, which is actually an important and it's always come in exam, which is IT Act, or we can say 2000. IT stands for Information Technology. So the Information Technology Act 2000, also known as ITA 2000 or the IT Act. It is an act of Indian Parliament number 21 of 2000, notified on 17 October 2000. It is the primary law in India dealing with crime, cybercrime and electronic commerce. So this is the act which we should know about it. This is very important. You should go through this. Next is, let's talk about appropriate usage of social media. As you can see, the term social media refer to a web or a mobile technology practice that people use to share content, opinion, experience and perspective online. So here are the few prominent social media platforms. First is Facebook. As you see, Facebook is a social network website which user can post, comment, share photographs, etc. Next is Twitter. Twitter is an online news social networking site where you can communicate in short message and which we call tweet. Next is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing service where user can share, watch, like and comment the videos. Next is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is also a social network for business communities only. Next is blogging. Blogging is a shorting of vblog, is an online journal or informational websites display information in reverse chronicle order. So now the last topic, which is rules to be followed while working on social network sites. This is important and we should know and we should be very careful about this. First is, do not give or post any personal information. Next is, never give out your password to anyone except your parent or guardian. Next is, when you choose a social networking site, privacy issues should be considered. Add only those people as a friend to your page whom you know in real. Delete any unwanted message, inappropriate comment, and immediately report those comment to the networking site. Care about the share. It means that the person who you care about, you should ask for the permission, right? Suppose if let's see, social media want us to share as much as we can, but never share your password, private person information, or your location, etc. Always use strong password that are difficult to guess. Privacy matters. Regularly check your privacy settings on social media and always think before posting because it spread all over the internet. Respect privacy of others also. Ask your friend permission before uploading their photos and videos. Keep everything updated. Most security breaches on the internet happen as a software is not up to date. So be vigilant about updating software like apps, antivirus, and the browsers. Be aware of spams. In the modern version of junk mails, learn the difference between real mails and messages. Always be suspicious about email with hyperlinks. And last 2 points, cyberbullying and harassment. If you are targeted by the kind of a behavior, you must know what to do, where to get help. Visit National Center Against Bully website and Office of Safety. Keep your friends close and stranger an arm length. Never accept friend requests from unknown strangers. Check your reactions to troll. Don't feed the troll by reacting angrily. In fact, this is what they want. So your first step is to be block and report the troll. So I hope you all are safe. Thank you.